In this video, we are going to render text with Pygame. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for rendering text with Pygame. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Now this use case requires the Pygame library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code before proceeding. Here in this part of code, we are importing and initializing the Pygame. And here we are defining some constants like size, width, height, FPS, and create a Pygame surface object. The blit text function is defined to render text onto the surface object. Let's run the code now. And you have rendered text with Pygame.